Hi, today's luto vlog is kare kare. So this is my first time cooking kare kare and I have no confidence in making this recipe simply because I haven't seen anyone make this recipe in my home. So I'm just imagining the things that I had tasted. So I usually eat kare kare when we dine out, and it's not always that we dine out way back in the Philippines. So this kare kare is just a product of my imagination. And I tried to read the instruction in Mamacita's recipe, but I did not follow that. I did not use oxtail, I just used ordinary beef. And it's fine because it's me that I will eat anyway. So I'm just craving kare kare, and I hope that this kare kare will taste really good. Anyway, thank you for following this video so far, and I hope you'll enjoy the next clips. And please stay tuned because I'm gonna share what it tastes like and what are the things I've learned while cooking this recipe, kare kare. So for everyone there that doesn't know kare kare, let me share what is kare kare. Alright, so by the way, I'm making beef kare kare. So beef kare kare is a version of kare kare, or a peanut stew that makes use of beef chalk instead of traditional oxtail. So it is a good as our version of kare kare. Well, that's actually from Panlasang Pinoy, so it's in his blog. Not the vlog, but the blog. So that's kare kare. It's just peanut stew. So if you like peanuts or you want to try something with peanuts, anya, then kare kare is a must try. But if you have allergies, strong allergies for peanut, you should avoid restaurants serving kare kare. If you have strong allergies to peanut, because most likely it's just all peanuts there. So that would be all, and I hope you enjoy the remaining videos. Yes, then stay tuned again, I said again, for the tastes reveal. Char. Thank you so much. We're not done yet. Please continue watching.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm
Alright, so tikiman time. So, alam niyo naman, medyo epic fail ang ating video today simply because it's not good. I mean, ang process natin, and medyo watery siya. I imagine na dapat creamy siya, pero hindi siya creamy, but a little bit watery, kaya na-sink yung ating mga gulay. So anyway, tikman na natin. Nutty flavor, a little bit salty, which is good kasi wala naman tayong bagoong. And then, kare kare. Pero mas masarap pa rin yung nasa nasa restaurant na kare kare. And next time siguro, ano ba natutunan ko dito? I've learned from this luto vlog that making kare kare and other beef dishes takes time and patience and expertise. Char! But you know, the best thing in cooking is we can always eat our mistake as long as hindi siya makahilo. So, I need to practice. That's all for this luto vlog. See you next time. Bye!
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the